Welcome, here I've got TCL 20 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, we have to move to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we can find the shutter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off, and when we go back to the camera and when I take another picture, we can't hear it. And of course, when we tap to the left corner button once again to the settings, slide to the general, we can turn it on by tapping on the shutter sound here and hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.